Rapidly growing demand for online commerce has also given rise to business models with shorter order fulfillment cycles, increasing competition, reduced margins, and the prime need for excellent customer service. In effect, these are the core drivers that have necessitated vast improvements in logistics management. Analyzing a company's logistics function and using the correct tools and tips to optimize it has become crucial for success. Logistics management is defined as a set of multiple processes that facilitate the efficient movement of raw materials, goods, parcels, finished products, and freight from their point of origin through to their end consumer. Depending on the degree of digital adoption within an ecosystem and the stakeholders and companies within it, these processes can be manual or automated. Today's logistics management methods have rapidly adopted new-age technologies like cloud tech, Internet of Things, artificial and predictive intelligence, machine learning, etc. Core activities of logistics management include order fulfillment, warehousing, inventory management, packing, predicting patterns of demand and supply, and fleet and driver management, to name a few. By deploying such powerful tools to manage the logistics function, today's businesses have become empowered. They have been able to identify new revenue streams, improve profitability, and achieve high levels of customer satisfaction. His type is focused on the planning, procurement, and coordination of raw materials that are required at specific locations and destinations to facilitate the production of goods and products. This also includes the warehousing, storage, and movement of materials and inventory. Importantly, supply management needs to ascertain demand patterns so that the corresponding supply of materials can be organized. Poorly planned or executed supply chain management will surely result in disruptions and losses along the entire supply chain. This relates to the movement of material and supplies from a central location, e.g., a centrally located warehouse, to several other points of its requirement in an organized and timely manner where from further production or distribution can continue. As is natural with materials handling and distribution, this type of logistics involves a lot of tracking, stock keeping, loading, and unloading of materials. This refers to the planning, execution, and monitoring of the various stages of production in a company. It handles all the coordination required in the assembling or manufacturing process, production areas, warehouses, and factories, per the production and delivery schedules required. Importantly, efficient production logistics enable a company to operate with capital efficiency. The strategies, practices, and technologies used by firms to analyze and manage customer interactions and the data generated across the customer lifecycle process are referred to as customer service management. Transparent communication and damage-free deliveries made on time form the cornerstone of good customer service management. In addition to building strong business relationships with all stakeholders, it ultimately results in a most critical metric, i.e., customer retention. This is also called returns management and refers to the handling of order returns. This includes reclamation of supplies and materials from the supplier, example, manufacturer, agent, for products returned from the end customer due to damage, unwanted, or unused, for a legitimate, acceptable reason. Through standardized inspection, sorting, replacement, restocking, and timely decision-making with regard to returned products, companies can reduce their losses. By automating core logistics operations such as route planning, scheduling, roster management, task allocation, etc., companies not only save a significant amount of time and money, but are also able to achieve much higher levels of operational efficiency, plan better for the future, and maintain a robust, profitable operation. With logistics management, companies can maintain an integrated view of their resources, departments, and teams, and monitor their operations in real time. This transparent and real-time view helps in achieving optimum efficiency, minimizing disruptions, and making the best use of its resources. An important part of logistics management is optimizing delivery routes with the services of modern systems like last-mile software. Such advanced optimization techniques balance out numerous elements that are forever fluctuating, such as traffic, weather, empty miles, tonnage, etc., and come up with optimal routes. With customers demanding faster and cheaper delivery times every day, the distances that parcels have to travel from their storage point to the final destination need to be minimized. Therefore, storage locations assume great importance. Logistics management must identify such inventory locations that not only achieve the shortest delivery times, but also minimize operational costs. It should hardly be a surprise that transportation is a leading cause of environmental damage due to its carbon emissions. By adopting modern technologies, e.g. electric vehicles, green fuel, digital documentation, and route optimization, companies can reduce the carbon footprint of their logistics operations significantly. Driven by their need for control and instant gratification, today's customers want to know exactly where their parcels are, want to be updated throughout the process with real-time communication about ETAs, any delays or changes, etc. Companies must manage their logistics operations so that they offer enough options to their customers and make it customer-centric, especially in the last mile. By adopting digital processes and logistics tools, companies can achieve a robust supply chain operation. This, in turn, mitigates risk exposure by making sure best practices are established, ultimately leading to healthy margins and building customer loyalty. Using third-party logistics, 3PL, companies enables client companies to outsource all their fulfillment and distribution functions completely. These 3PLs are global behemoths that ensure all-around efficiency and optimize the use of resources. As is evident, to achieve supply chain efficiency and maintain profitable operations, companies must leverage the use of modern technologies like last-mile delivery software to optimize their logistics management.